Today we're going to learn how to trade low cost options step by step. I'm going to keep it simple so anyone watching that's new to trading can learn how to start trading right now and implement the same strategies that I use every day. So let's get into it, but before we do, please smash that like button and please subscribe if you're new here. I greatly appreciate it. So what we are looking at here is Webull. Now you may or may not have Webull. That's okay if you don't. Everything's going to be pretty similar. The terminology is going to be the same, whether you're using Webull or Robinhood or a TS Trader, whatever it might be, E-Trade. The terminology is going to be similar and you're going to be able to kind of figure it out. But I just prefer Webull. That's my favorite. If you don't have it, if you want it, link is down below. Either way, this is what we're working with today. So right here we're looking at the 15-minute chart on SPY. Now one of the most common questions I get is how do I find such cheap options? How am I trading with $5, $10? And today I'm going to show you exactly how. Now first things first, you're going to want to make sure that you have a cash account, not a margin account. That's going to make your life so much easier, and it's going to make it so you can avoid the PDT rule. If you don't know what that is, here it is on the screen, just a quick flash of it. But what you want to do is avoid that at all costs, and this will make your life so much easier. Back when I started trading and I was under the PDT rule and didn't know about trading with a cash account, I was managing 2, 3, 4 accounts every single day just so that I can get enough trades in. So this is going to change your life if you didn't know about it. Make sure you have a cash account. Now back to the chart, looking at SPY, it is pretty simple, you guys. Do not overcomplicate it. Now depending on which way the market's going, you're going to want to buy a call or a put. Keep it simple. Don't worry about all the big terms that you might hear, butterfly, strangle, whatever it might be. You want to buy and sell calls and you want to buy and sell puts. Keep it simple, and that's what we're doing. So looking at Webull here, you can see on the left hand side we have account, options trader, custom, yada yada. I have it on options. Now you can set up a custom tab and do it however you want. I actually happen to like the options tab that they have here, and I've become quite accustomed to it. And you can also still customize it to your liking. It just gives you a nice template. So what you're going to want to do from here is click on the options tab up here. Now if for some reason you don't see it, you can always add it. It should be there, but you're going to want to add a widget right here. Click on options and that will put it right here for you. There's also a lot of other great tools you can have on here, and I've been using Webull since 2018, and I can confidently say that they are consistently making their platform better and easier to use. So bravo to them, and I am not paid by them at all. That's just me enjoying them. Now looking at the options tab, clicking on that now, you can see 0 days till expire. You can minimize that so you can see all 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 6 day, and so on. Now the cheapest contracts you're going to find are always going to be same day till expire, but this is high risk, high reward. If you want to start off with something a little less risky, I would recommend doing a 1 day till expire. Now in today's example, I did screen record me taking a trade with a 0 day till expire contract for $5, and it ran 80%. So I'll bring that up on the screen right now so you can see exactly what it looks like during the live trading day and what I am looking at. Now I'm really keeping a close eye on the order book, watching for it to move, making sure that I'm not getting in too early, and this really helps give me an edge on the market. Now this does make it so I miss my entry sometimes, but more often than not it just makes it so I get a nice entry and then I see the market go break even, and it really helps me be patient, because if I'm only looking at the chart and I'm not looking at the order book, I might want to get into the trade. But sometimes you'll see, little movements on the chart, but the order book doesn't really move. So you're like, okay, it really saves you from being faked out a lot of the time. So it's just another, tool in the tool belt. And I strongly recommend, if you don't have level 2 order book, you get it. I think it's $2 or $3 a month on Webull. Now from there, it's just the patience game. I'm watching the chart. I'm looking at all these charts right here that you guys see on my live streams every day. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a lot of the big companies on the right hand side. I'm watching VIX up here. I'm watching Q, I'm watching IWM. I'm keeping my ear to the ground so that I can make the most informed decision I can. So as you can see, I held this trade for 5 minutes. I did record the whole thing, and it was pretty quick. If you watched yesterday's video, you can actually see the recap of that. I'm not going to go through all those details right now. For now, I'm trying to keep it simple so you guys can just see what I'm doing and learn how to trade with keeping it as simple as possible. You want to buy that cheap contract. If the market looks like it's going to break to the downside and you only have $10 in your budget, we'll look for options that are somewhere around there. As you can see in that recording, the range was from 10 to 3 to 2. It goes all the way down to $1. This is 0 days till expire. So most of these will expire worthless. But that also means that you do have the chance of buying a contract for $1 and that thing running 100, 1,000%. I've seen it so many times. Now definitely don't count on it, but if you see a huge move in the market to one side and it looks like it's going to reverse, go ahead and check out those cheap contracts. And you can even go in hindsight and look at them and see the crazy moves they make, and let that inspire you, let that motivate you. and just take note of that so that you're prepared for the next one. This is where preparation causes separation. This is the difference between people that quit and people that keep going. You know, so many people start trading, but they don't stick it out. They get to these walls, they hit those walls, and they give up. You want to break through those walls. You know, it's like this meme right here. Get through those walls, get that diamond, you know, get that ore, whatever you're looking for. You know, don't give up. Work on your strategies. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'm happy to help. And if you want to get caught up on the $25 challenge and apply this knowledge you just learned, check out this playlist right here. If you're looking for a few strategies to use along with this, and these are things I use every day, check out this video right here. And I hope you guys are staying happy and healthy. I'll see you tomorrow.